Did you know that only 3% of students that start an online course actually complete the course? In this video, I'll show you step by step how you can easily implement simple gamification strategies to double or triple your course completion rates, increase student motivation, and just create a great experience for your learners. Hi there, my name is Veena Prashant. I'm the creator of Smart Creator Press, which is a complete membership, LMS, and funnel plugin for WordPress. I don't sign up for too many courses because I'm too busy and I know that I will never be able to complete it. But recently I signed up for a course and my intention was to, actually complete it. So I bought the course and I was expecting the usual, right? So I started the first lesson. It was good. So I continued to the next lesson. When I completed the first lesson, it showed me this pop-up that said, you are like 1% done or something like that. And you have this much remaining, and it had a message to say, great work, keep going. And there was a button that said, click here to go to the next lesson. I clicked on it. It took me straight to the next lesson. It was a great experience. And it's a simple thing, that's how mind works. Like you want to know that you're making progress towards your goal. As simple as it might be, just to show them like you completed this much percent of this course that you intend on completing. It's helpful. Obviously, you got to create content that your students value, and it's actually helping them. Now, if you want them to continue, people are busy, that's life, things happen. And so even though they intend on completing the course, sometimes all you need is like little motivation techniques like this, gamification techniques like this to help them keep going. So then what we did was not only we implemented this in Smart Creator Press, we made it better. The way we made it better is that in that system, the course that I took, even though it was a great experience, it was a static message, right? Every lesson had the same message, great work, keep going. You don't have to do that with Smart Creator Press because you're going to probably want to show them different messages based on the complexity of the lesson they have just completed. Or say that they're 50% done. You may want to say that, great job, you're halfway there or something like that. So you want to show different messages based on where they are at. Maybe something like only 30% of people complete these many lessons that you have already completed. Great work. So stuff like this you can only do if you're able to customize the message at lesson level. So that's what we have done. If you want to show the same message, you can do that. You can use the global settings, but you can override these messages at lesson level. There are so many options and it's so easy to implement. You can do this in like 5 seconds. That's easy. That's how easy it is to activate this feature. Other than this, you can create points for completing the lessons. You can create achievement badges, and you can allow them to move up levels based on points. There are so many other things you can do because of SCP's integration with an amazing gamification plugin called GamiPress. So I'm going to show you both quickly how you can easily activate these features using Smart Creator Press. Let's dive in. All right, so first thing I'm going to show you is how you can enable lesson completion pop-up and how you can customize the message for any of your courses in SCP. So this is the backend of Smart Creator Press, Manage Courses page. And here, let's say this is the course, 500 per month on autopilot. I'm going to edit this course right here. All right, so this is the course info tab. And if you scroll down here, you can see it says gamification options. Do you want to display lesson complete messages? Yes. So here, show confetti animation. You can enable it. If you don't like it, you can disable it later and redirect to the next lesson automatically after X number of seconds. So if you want SCP to automatically redirect them, say after 15 seconds of that pop-up showing up and after they have read the message, then you can do that. Or if you don't want to do that and you want the pop-up to stay until they exit out of the pop-up, that's up to you. So let's say 15 seconds. So now you can go straight to the Lesson Builder tab and select the lesson, for example, the first lesson, edit the lesson. And if you scroll down here, you can see it says lesson complete message. Don't show any message. Show global message and show a custom message for this lesson. So even though you have enabled it at course level to show the lesson complete messages, if you don't want to show it for a specific lesson, you can turn it off right here. If you want to show the global message where it's the same message, you can customize that global message right here. You can click on this right here, messages. It will take you to the messages tab in the settings page, in the global settings, where you can update the message. In most other platforms, even if they have this message, it will be a common message, right? They don't allow you to customize it at lesson level. But in SCP, you can customize the message at lesson level. So click on show a custom message for this lesson. update this message to whatever you want to say. You know that they have completed the first lesson. So you can add a lesson specific action item here if you want for them. You can say, great work, you have completed this, make sure to do this, whatever you want. You can add the message here to bring attention to whatever you want them to do. Or you can just say, are you ready to start the next lesson now? Go ahead and start here. And it's going to show a button that says go to the next lesson. And the messages, whatever messages you want to customize, you can go to the translations tab in SCP settings page to update the messages. If you want to add something else, you can update the message here. So now let's say we go to the next lesson. All right, so let's go ahead and save and close this lesson. Let's go to the next lesson now. And let's say you want to show a different message here, right? So there are only 4 lessons in this course. So here you can update the message. Here I have updated it to say, congrats. You have already completed 2 lessons. I know they are on lesson number 2. They have just completed lesson number 2. So I can say this, right? You have completed 2 lessons, just a couple more to go. Are you ready to start the next lesson? These are the merge tags. You can use these 2 merge tags. You can use in the content. Go ahead and save it. That's it. All right. So you can go and do this for each one of your lessons. And let's go ahead and preview it and test it out now in the front end. So this is the course and this is the first lesson. So let's say I have watched the video, I have completed the lesson, and I'm going to go ahead and click on Mark as complete. So you can see here it says 25% complete, nice work. And this message is all customizable in the back end. You have completed the lesson, ready to start the next lesson. If they want, they can click on yes, I'm ready. I had a 15-second timer where it said if they only to show that pop-up for 15 seconds and then automatically redirect, but you can increase that to say 30 seconds or 50 seconds or just disable that so it will stay there so the pop-up won't disappear. That's up to you. All right, so now I'm on the second lesson. Let's go down here. Let's go ahead and complete this lesson. That's it. You can see it says you have already completed 2 lessons, just a couple more to go. This was my customized message. Now I'm 50% done. So now they can click on yes, I'm ready, and it will take them to the 3rd lesson. I have not gamified this one yet. So this one only has 4 lessons, and it's so easy to motivate your students and encourage them to keep going. Whatever special message you have for them, you can add that there. So as you can see, like, it's a very simple thing, very simple technique, a very simple strategy, gamification strategy, but it works. Now, gamification done right can be a game changer for your online business, but the main thing is for you to be strategic about it, be clear about what is it that's important to you for your business, and come up with a plan as to what are the different areas of your business that you want to gamify. Gamification can help you in many different ways, especially with the integration that SCP, Smart Creator Press, and Smart Forum Builder, our community plugin, has with GamiPress, which is an amazing free plugin for gamification. There are so many different options. There are so many different ways you can gamify your online business and use it to increase community engagement, use it to increase your course completion rate, use it to get your members to be more consistent when it comes to showing up. So for example, you can create different types of points. You can create different categories of points. So you can create a point type called learning. You can do this in GamiPress. You can log into GamiPress, go to points page in GamiPress, and you can say, I want to create a new point type. And you can call it whatever you want. For example, let's say you call it learning. Now you can say, I want to give my members points when they complete this course or when they complete lessons in this course. And so you can give them points for just being engaged and for just completing your course. You can also say, I want to give my members points when they complete the course and leave me a review. So you can create a specific point type called learning, for example, and you can add all of these specific types of activities that will get them points, and the points will be assigned to this specific type. Right? This is not like a global points bucket, right? You are adding to a specific type. Now you can use SFB, which is our community plugin, to say, I want users to be able to use these points to redeem access to this forum, right? So you can create exclusive forums, and you can say you can only unlock it using points, and what type of points you can decide that too. So that's one thing. You can also create leaderboard. You can say, I want to showcase all the members who have completed the course or who have completed X number of lessons, right? So you can decide, the criteria for your leaderboard. The leaderboard that you create using Smart Forum Builder, you can create it where you can say, it doesn't matter how they get the points. My points leaders are going to be on my leaderboard. Or you can say, this leaderboard is only for my top learners, like people that have completed the course or have made the most progress. and in real time SFB is going to update it, you can definitely use it to motivate your students. Currently, they can unlock access to specific forums using points. Now, we don't yet have a feature where they can use those points to redeem automatic access to courses or products, but this is something that's coming soon, right? So you will be able to use inbound automation in SCP to say if they have X number of points, allow them access to this course or this product, right? So you will be able to automate that as well. You can also create an engagement bucket, and you can decide what's the criteria for engagement and what are the specific forums where you want them to engage more, right? So say that you have a forum where you don't really care if members are posting there, but you have another forum where you want the most engagement. You can give them more points for that specific forum, or you can say you are only going to get points as long as you are engaging with the content in this forum. You get to make the rules. So you can use gamification strategies to create different buckets, and you can give them points, and you can decide what's important to you, to your business, and based on that, you can award points. And at some point, these points can also be used as coupon codes, right? So your users will be able to use their points or specific types of points to get a discount. They can use all of the points or some of their points to get a discount. You will be able to configure all of that in a future update. So let's go ahead and test this and see how it works. So say that a new student has just signed up for your course. So here you can see this is my community site, and this is my dashboard, and this is actually from SCP. This is the SCP dashboard. They will find all the courses and products they have here. So here, this is the course they have just signed up for. They click on access content and they land here. This is the welcome message. All right, so I'm going to click on mark is complete. This is the first message. Done. Yes, I'm ready. I'm going to go to the next lesson. All right, so I should have 1 point, right? Because I just completed this. Let's go ahead and check the point system. This is the badge right here. You can see I have 1 point for lesson completion. They will find it right here if you have integrated it with your community site. All right. So now let's go ahead and complete the next lesson. Second lesson done. Now I should have 2 points. Let's go ahead and check this out. See, I have 2 points. This is how easy it is. So it's going to automatically give them points for completing the lessons. And if they go to the community site, all right, so you can see here, I got 2 points. I made it here, right? So your users can climb up the chart by getting more points, by being more active. So there are so many different ways you can incentivize your members to participate more, to engage more. Obviously, you need to decide your strategy as to what's important to you, what are the different forums you want them to engage in. And based on that, you can reward points, and then you can give them different badges based on that. And all of that is actually built into GamiPress, where you can decide what you want to allow users to do using the points they have. This is what I wanted to show you today. And let me know what your thoughts are. I look forward to your feedback. If you have not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, be sure to do so. This way you'll be the first to know when I publish more videos like this. If you don't yet have SCP, go to smartcreatorpress.com and check it out. It's the best membership, LMS, and funnel plugin for WordPress, and there's not much it cannot do. I'll be back here with more. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to your feedback.